Hi there. Okay, let's go. So it's been several days that I haven't been working actively on my studies. I've been looking into different subjects, different documentations and technologies. I got distracted with some chores and things at home, so that's okay. That's okay. I'm making progress anyways. But today I really wanted to have a really long hour study session. And I was thinking to basically occupy the entire week to dedicate to one specific goal or objective, right? I used to do like a bunch of things in one single day, which was crazy. I was thinking to do one thing in a single day, but ultimately I'm thinking just to take 1 week and just focus on one single thing the entire week. So that's my objectives now. Well, I'm testing it. I used to do something much more simpler, like doing one particular thing in a given week, like 2 or 3 times in the week. That's what I used to do. Recently, I tried to do a lot of things in one single day, which was not a good idea. Well, now I'm trying something new, which is gonna be to focus on one single thing the entire week. So I have a lot of things to do, and just doing one thing out of all of them in 1 week is gonna be. I mean, it's something. It has to be to do something with the delayed gratification. Like just you repeat one single thing all the time, and you are making progress and earning on those little victories. So I will do that. I will just focus on one single thing the entire week. And this week is gonna be Django and React.js. I'm switching from Vue.js to React because I'm seeing a lot of projects written in React. Well, honestly, I'm seeing a lot of job offers for people that has knowledge on React. So I'm into that. I'm switching into that. Obviously, I would like to learn about AI and machine learning, data science, and things like that. But one step at a time. That's what I'm gonna do. I was focused today. I was also working on just one project that I have in mind. I'm focusing only on Django and React.js, but my computer got misconfigured. It was a crazy thing because I was paying the bill from years ago. So I had this computer, my laptop computer, where I don't know why, but I decided to have the boot um, device mount, because I'm using Arch Linux, Black Arch Linux. So I decided to use the boot device to be 300 megabytes, which was a bad idea. At least 500 should be something, but I did it 300, and I wasn't able to upgrade my system. It was breaking. Everything was unstable. And well, the kernel wasn't able to be installed because there was not enough space in the boot device. So I had to manually clean up some stuff, which was really a bad idea. And I ended up finding some USB device to pull or to install a live Linux distribution. So I got Kali Linux. I started from there. My internet connection was really slow, but at the end I was able to get that distro in a live pen drive. So I started and booted my system. I was remembering how to mount and do the share root in order to have access to the to the laptop's storage Linux installation instead of the live distribution, get into the system and install the packages, do the resizing, which took a lot of time. And I spent like 1 hour trying to fix something really silly, where basically in the boot configuration, which uses system D for the boot instead of graph, I was using the wrong disk unique identifier. All the devices, all the partitions have their own UUID, the unique identifier. But also they had the partition identifier. So I was looking into the partition identifier, and I was using that number on my FS tab file. I was using that in my boot configuration file, the profile that we have in the for the system D to boot the system. So it was everything wrong. I was using the wrong numbers, and I spent like 1 hour trying to see why it's not being recognized my devices in the system when booting. So later I realized that there were two unique identifiers numbers. Once realized, I was able to change to the right ones. My system was able to boot. I was able to upgrade my system, clean up some old stuff. Now I'm in a good shape, but the thing is that it's already night and it's already late, and I really wanted to do a lot, but like 4 hours spent on that issue, and I was watching YouTube, so yeah, I really got distracted. I wasn't 100% focused. That's why I started to make mistake after mistake. So anyways, I will do something right now. I will try to make some progress and call it a day. So see you. Start recording. So there we go. Okay. Let's update this a little bit so it's comfortable for me to work. Yep, it is. So we've been doing TensorFlow last week. Now let's work on Django and React.js right now. Okay, so I took some notes the other day, which are not here, obviously. Doesn't work. Okay. Okay, give me a second. So it's gonna be the first time I'm trying to write everything from scratch, so it's worth to cheat a little bit. Okay, should be okay now. So we'll see here some examples, some various things. Various stuff and subjects that I've been looking into in order to learn about Django. But I'm also looking as well into React.js. Oh, my Beam already supports that. So there is something that I need to fix. I have some refactors on my new Beam configuration, but there is no time right now. There's no time right now to do that. So let's proceed anyway. I really would like to hear some music, but it's already late and people is sleeping. No, it's not sleeping. So how can I... Let's see. I don't think this is updated. And I'm wasting time again. Okay, something's wrong over here, but it's working. Okay, let's try to make it fast, really fast. Let's see, I'm a full stack developer, full stack. Now let's try Django. So one of the first things will be to create the virtual environment. Yeah, that's right. And then we will use that virtual environment. So let's start talking about English. Oh my gosh. Okay, so let's use people install Django admin. I forgot what I wanted to write. So let's see. Oh, amazing. What is failing now? I'm not able to install this. Okay, that's not normal. So I use it in the right regular way. It should be working. What version of Python I have installed? 3.13. Django is what I need to install. So I did a mistake. Yeah, that's right. Let's get out of here and let's do it again. Okay. So now let's create a Django admin. Create project, start project, foobar. All right. So now let's go to foobar. Let's go to foobar and let's say Python. Create app called, this is gonna be called books. Let's see, it's gonna be a bookstore. Okay, so this is gonna be called books. Should it be plural or singular? Let's say books. Okay, that works. Oh yeah, we're doing the same from here. Now let's add that application into the list of applications. So let's see now about show migrations. We got something there. So now let's use, let's say, what we have in books. We have models. That's great. Now let's create a book model. I guess this is the way, which gonna be, it's gonna have a title of models fix field. Let's see, am I doing well? Okay. Hey, no, shut up. What are you talking about? You're not ChatGPT. So by the way, can we talk? ChatGPT. I have ChatGPT, but it's not the plus version. What's this? Hello, ChatGPT. How are you today?
Hello, I'm doing great. Thank you for asking. How about you?
I'm doing bad. I've been working on my computer the full day, but I was supposed to be studying and getting work done, but I got distracted with this thing, which is using Arch Linux and upgrading the system.
I totally get that. It's easy to get caught up in those technical tasks. Arch Linux can be quite engaging, but it's important to find a balance. Maybe you can set specific time blocks for studying and allow yourself short breaks for tinkering with your system. What do you think?
Yeah, that's great. Now I'm doing Django. I want to catch up. I'm learning about models. What can you tell me about Django models?
Django models are a key part of the Django web framework. They define the structure of your database using Python classes. Each model class corresponds to a database table, and each attribute of the class represents a database field. Here are some key points. Fields. Django provides various field types, like char field, integer field, date field, etc., to define the type of data stored. 2. Relationships. You can define relationships between models using fields like foreign key, many-to-many field, and one-to-one field. Meta options. You can customize model behavior and database table options using the meta inner class. Do you want to dive into any specific part?
Yeah, talk to me more about relationships. How does it work? I don't see any code, but try to teach me or talk about the code itself and relationships.
Sure. In Django, relationships between models are defined using specific field types. Here's how the main types work. Foreign key. This creates a many-to-one relationship. For example, if you have a book model and an author model, each book can be linked to one author, but an author can have many books. Example, class author models model. Name is a car field max length of 100. Class book is a max length of 200. Author on delete models cascade. Many-to-many field defines a many-to-many relationship. For instance, if you have student and course models, a student can enroll in multiple courses, and each course can have multiple students. Class course models model, title is a car field max length of 100. Class student is a max length of 100. Courses, many-to-many field course. One-to-one field. This creates a one-to-one relationship. For example, if you have a user model and a profile model, each user can have one profile, and each profile belongs to one user. Class user models model. Username is max length of 100. Profile models model. User is a one-to-one field, user. On delete models cascade. Bio is a text field. These relationships help you manage and query related data efficiently. Does that help clarify things?
Yeah, kind of. So what can you tell me about Django? Who is using Django? Why is it popular? Why is it popular, and what companies are using Django to solve their backend or full stack development?
Django is a popular web framework for building web applications quickly and efficiently. Here's why it's widely used. 1. Ease of use. Django's design emphasizes reusability and don't repeat yourself (DRY) principles, making it easier for developers to create and maintain applications. 2. Security. Django comes with built-in security features to help developers avoid common security mistakes, such as SQL injection, cross-site scripting, and cross-site request forgery. 3. Scalability. Django is designed to handle high traffic and large amounts of data, making it suitable for both small projects and large-scale applications. 4. Community. Django has a large and active community, providing a wealth of third-party packages, plugins, and resources. Several well-known companies and organizations use Django for their web applications. Some examples include Instagram uses Django for its backend to manage millions of users and photos. Spotify uses Django for parts of its web application and internal tools. Pinterest, originally built using Django for its web backend. Discuss, a popular comment hosting service built with Django. These companies choose Django for its robustness, scalability, and the speed at which they can develop and deploy applications.
That's amazing. Thank you for that. What do you know about current internet? Are you able to have access to the latest and news on the internet related to technology?
Yes, I can access the latest information from the internet to provide you with up-to-date news and details about technology or any other topics you're interested in. If you have a specific question or need the latest updates on something, feel free to ask.
Yeah, tell me what are the headlines on machine learning and artificial intelligence.
In 2024, artificial intelligence made significant strides. According to the Financial Times, robots are now capable of complex tasks like folding origami and organizing desks. Additionally, the Times reports that AI is seen as a potential solution to Britain's productivity challenges, with companies like WPP and BT leveraging AI to enhance operations. However, experts caution against the rapid deployment of AI models without thorough testing, as highlighted by the Financial Times.
What about new headlines about the crypto world?
In 2024, the cryptocurrency landscape saw significant developments. According to Reuters, Canary Capital Group filed for a spot Bitcoin ETF, signaling growing institutional interest. Additionally, the Financial Times reports that Kevin O'Leary noted cryptocurrency is moving away from its cowboy era under President Trump's administration, which is implementing regulations to integrate crypto with financial institutions. However, the year also faced challenges. Reuters highlights that hacking incidents surged, with $2.2 billion stolen from crypto platforms, a 21% increase from the previous year. Furthermore, Investopedia reports that investors lost over $10 billion due to crypto scams and security breaches.
Thank you. Can you tell me some jokes about technology or software or something nerd for me to get fun or to laugh?
Of course, here are a few techie jokes for you. Why do programmers prefer dark mode? Because light attracts bugs.
Yeah.
2. Why was the computer cold? It left its windows open. 3. How does a computer get drunk? It takes screenshots. Hope these bring a smile to your face.
Yeah, it seems to work. And I'm not paying. I'm not paying anything. I'm not able to. Okay, let's see. I move to the users. What? Oh, I need my admin. stuff. Let's see. I need to see some examples on how to do that. So, for example, I will need what about this? Admins for books. So I will need to do this. What? But what? Books admin. It's gonna be what? It's gonna be the admin dot model admin. Yeah. And what about this? Do I need to register this somewhere else? Yeah, I need to do this admin register, and I need to specify the models book. So import this one. So what about now? Does this work? Yes. Yeah, I'm able to see it now. Yeah, we're making progress. We understand how this works. Let's say admin authors. So it's gonna be authors admin. The class is gonna be model admin. We're just gonna pass this one and say admin.register, and we will import the authors model. From models import author, which is good. Now we should be able to add, list, read authors. Let's try to add one. Then is with save books. How to add a book? Oh wow, the big title. Okay. Nice. This is gonna be so let's see if I'm able. Let's see if I'm able to find that. Not working this one. Okay. I can see authors. I can see books. Yeah, Hello World is working. Very good. Very good to go. Let's continue tomorrow. Bye bye.